Tired of seeing that frustrating not enough SOL message when trying to make a transaction on your Phantom wallet? Let's fix that. The problem is simple. You don't have enough SOL in your wallet to cover both the transaction amount and the Solana network transaction fee, which is like the gas fee on Ethereum. Even if you think you have enough, these fees can fluctuate. The easiest solution is to add more SOL to your Phantom wallet. Head over to your favorite centralized exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Buy some SOL there. Then, in your Phantom wallet, click the deposit button. This will give you your wallet's unique Solana address. Copy that address and paste it into the withdrawal section of the exchange you're using. Enter the amount of SOL you want to deposit into your wallet and confirm the transaction. Give it a few minutes, and your SOL balance in Phantom should increase. Now, if you're absolutely strapped for SOL and can't just buy more, there's another option. Although it's less ideal, check if you have another wallet on Solana that also has SOL in it. If the problem is that you have tokens on your Phantom wallet, then move those tokens to the other Solana wallet that has enough SOL in it. You can then swap those tokens into SOL and then send it back to your Phantom wallet. And that's it. One of those options should have solved your problem. You should now be able to make transactions smoothly with your Phantom wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe.